welcome to Purposefully AI. I'm here today to talk about something crucial. The AI hype is fading, but real opportunities remain. If you've tried an AI side hustle that fizzled out, this video is for you. We're focusing on simple systems and real income, not flashy shortcuts. The loud period of AI is settling, and many people are realizing their so-called AI hustle never actually paid. That's because they chase trends instead of solving real problems. The truth is, some AI hustles are still working right now because they solve problems that never went away. They are boring, practical, and dependable, and that's exactly why they still work. Welcome to Purposefully AI, where our focus is on simple systems and real income. Let's reset your direction and look at the first reliable hustle. The first AI hustle that still works is AI-assisted services. This isn't about selling AI. It's about using AI to deliver services faster and more efficiently than before. Think of things like generating product descriptions, crafting email sequences, social media captions, or short-form video scripts. AI dramatically reduces your effort. This survives every hype cycle because businesses don't care how the work gets done. They care that it's done well, on time, and at a fair price. AI simply reduces your effort, it doesn't reduce your value. The workflow is simple. Client input goes in, AI does the heavy lifting, you make light edits, and you deliver. It's not exciting, but reliability pays. The second AI hustle is selling AI workflows, not AI outputs. This is where most people misunderstand the real opportunity. People don't actually want AI results. They want time saved. They want systems that reduce daily friction, remove repetitive tasks, and work quietly in the background. This could be a Notion dashboard powered by AI, a content workflow that turns text into videos, or a simple automation for email or scheduling. This is where AI starts to scale beyond trading hours for money. This survives the hype because AI tools change fast, but time pressure doesn't. Once a workflow is set up, it keeps delivering value, even as tools come and go. The third and final AI hustle that still works is AI-powered distribution, not creation. Most people focus on using AI to make content. The smarter play is helping content reach more places. This means turning long content like blog posts into short videos, repurposing podcasts into clips, or converting long videos into emails or carousels. Distribution is the key bottleneck. Use AI to move content where humans don't have the time or patience. This is one of the easiest entry points for beginners, and it's massively underestimated. This works for one simple reason. Everyone already has content, but almost no one has time to distribute it properly. You're using AI to solve the massive distribution bottleneck. All three of these hustles share one thing in common. They attach AI to existing, proven demand. When hype fades, needs remain. They are focused on businesses needing output, people needing time saved, and content needing distribution. Where needs remain, money stays. If you want a simple place to start, I've put together a free AI Money Starter Kit with workflows and prompts you can use today. You'll find the link below. And if you want more videos focused on what actually works, subscribe to Purposefully AI, because here we build systems that survive the hype.